up, everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Caitlin for the people who didn't know, and by the title of today's video, yes, I will be showing you guys my top 7 2020 go-to lazy natural hairstyles. If you didn't hear me the first time, yes, I did say lazy, okay? So let's get into today's video. Okay, so for my first hairstyle I will be showing you guys, I like this hairstyle more for events. So like your weddings, your functions, all that good old stuff, I will do this hairstyle more. So basically you guys see me separate a little section in the front, that will be my bang. Y'all know I love a good old natural bang. And then I'll take the scrunchie and I'll put the hair that's left out into a little puff in the back. Now listen, it's not going to look neat the first go around, okay? So you have to kind of perfect it. So I take me some hairpins and I apply my hairpins to the flyaways. So any hair that's sticking up or that won't lay down or whatever, I will apply it to there. And that will help it lay down. And listen, it does make a difference, okay? It does. And also I like my bang to lay down more because sometimes it could be just a little bit too thick. So I take me at least 2, sometimes 3 hairpins and I apply it to the roots so that way it can help my bang stay a little flat. Okay, y'all, so my next hairstyle is really my all-time fave. Okay, so I do this hairstyle at least 5 days out the week, okay? And look, I do this hairstyle a lot because this is my get up and go. This is my on the move. I have to go run errands. I have to go to the gas station hairstyle, okay? It's really no explanation to like how to do this hairstyle. Just take that scrunchie, take all your hair, put it at the top, and now you got you a high puff. And all my natural girls know about that high puff. I know I'm not the only one that abused this hairstyle. But anyways, sometimes it might not look a little neat. So like I said before, take that bobby pin or hairpin or whatever and apply it to where it's like sticking up. So that way it can look at least a little bit neater. And yes, you can make your high puff a little fun, a little festive, a little different. Sometimes I do get boring doing the same old basic little thing. So I go in and in less than 5 minutes, I have a whole new hairstyle. So basically, I'll before I actually put it into the puff, I'll go to each corner of my hair and take a little section out. Not that much, just a little. You don't want it to look thick on the side, okay? But take a little section, a little curl, swirl it around, make it a little curly, and then there you go. You have a whole new hairstyle, quick and easy. Here I will be doing my half up, half down hairstyle. For some reason, you guys, this hairstyle gives me throwback. I don't know. I feel like I did a lot of like half up, half down hairstyles when I was younger. I don't know. But yeah, but anyways, so we're going to take a section. We're going to part. I usually go from one ear to the next ear, creating my half down. And then I'll take the scrunchie and add it to the hair that's left up top, creating my half up. Okay, now sometimes I do go back and I'll just take like little pieces out here and there just to make the back a little fuller. But yeah, here's your half up, half down, quick, easy, to the point. I told you guys it's like 5 minutes, lazy, like when you just got to get up and go. just like the puff, the high puff I did, you can create an extra style out of this. So with this half up, half down, you don't even have to remove anything. Just take another scrunchie, add it to the top, creating a bun. Now you do see some extra hair that didn't make it into that bun. All I do is I wrap it around until I can form it to how I want it. Take some hairpins, add it, and then boom, there you go. A whole new style. For the second to last hairstyle I'm showing y'all, this is a 2-in-1 as well. Actually, it's probably more than a 2-in-1 because as I watch this video, I can see like multiple hairstyles I could have done. But anyways, I'm going to show you one hairstyle, okay? So of course, we're going to take a little section in the front and create our bang. Y'all knew this was coming. I love a bang, so I'm going to create one. And for the hair in the back, we're going to part it down the middle, creating 2 sections. And with those 2 sections, we're going to add a scrunchie, creating 2 puffs. Okay, crazy thing is, I don't have a name for this hairstyle. So if y'all have a name for this hairstyle, leave it down below. Let me know what would you call this. All right. But then also, of course, like I said, I like my bang a little flatter. So I'm going to take me some hairpins and add it to the roots of my bang just to lay it down a little bit. And there you go. A quick and easy go-to hairstyle. When you, like I said, when y'all trying to move and get on a go, like you gotta go somewhere quick, fast, but you want to look cute, this all you gotta do. You don't gotta do nothing extra. So you made it to the final hairstyle of the video. Yay, round of applause. You stayed, okay? But yeah, so this is the final hair, natural hair, lazy hair hairstyles, okay? Too many hairstyles going on, but yeah, this is the final hairstyle for you guys. So basically I call this the half mohawk, half knots. Not really sure where the name came from, but yeah, so this is my half mohawk, half knot, and that's because I'm not really putting all of my hair to the middle like a regular mohawk. I'm only taking the front section and I'm twisting it upwards. So I take a section on each side, each corner of my hair, and I twist it upward, bring it to like the middle, and that's how I create the half mohawk, half knot. I'm really not sure what this hairstyle does. I've just been doing it since like my natural hair journey. Don't ask me why. It's just something that came to my mind and I thought, ooh, girl, this is cute. And I've just been doing it so much, so often. So yeah, so this is the half mohawk, half knots. And like I said, quick and easy. Get up and go. When you just trying to move, you know, you don't have time to really sit down and like put product in your hair and try to straighten it or whatever. You can do this and it'll look neat and decent. Thank you guys for watching this video all the way through. I really appreciate it. It's the last day of 2020. So let's walk into 2021 manifesting and praying, whether it's mentally, physically, spiritually, financially. Let's do that all 2021. I pray for the best for everyone that's listened to this video. I really appreciate you guys. Continue to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave some suggestions down below. Let me know if you want to see more hairstyle videos or any video period I'm willing to try. Okay, and as always, I love you guys and peace.